So, it's time to check on our caged pineapple. I'm super excited.
We have our pineapple that we're talking about hidden in the depths of our food forest, which really isn't the most ideal location for pineapple. Ideally, you want it to have full sunlight, but here it is. Look at that pineapple. Now, this is a vibrant yellow pineapple, and this is ideally what you want to see when you harvest. I know many of you have found pineapple at the store and they haven't been quite this vibrant. That's because they aren't truly ripe yet. That's why I highly suggest, if you have the ability, to grow your own pineapple and let it come to full maturity on the plant. Now, as you can see, our cage is still intact, and even though our pineapple did fall over to the side slightly, it did continue to ripen fully, and we have a really lovely crown coming off the top that is nice and healthy and cramming through this little hole. So we will have that to reserve to grow some more pineapple. So let's go ahead and remove this cage and see what we have. For this procedure, it might be better, to wear gloves, as I just nicely demonstrated for you, because these little ends of the wire are probably going to poke you, as it just did my finger. But I am notorious for not wearing gloves when I should, so learn from my mistakes. Alright, so I finished untying all the sides. It was surprisingly difficult to do with one hand. So that's why I stopped filming for a bit, to get the other side. And now I'm going to gently wiggle this because I don't want to damage that crown. There we go. Remove the top, and now I should be able to simply slide this off like so, and there's my pineapple. Now, you may notice in growing your own pineapple that they don't get as large as the ones that you may find in the store. But that's okay, because this is going to taste so much better than anything you can get in the store. Now, what I need to do is I need to take either a very sharp knife or some heavy-duty clippers, and I want to cut the pineapple loose right here at its base. These are the clippers I used to cut the pineapple, and now it is free. Some of the things you're going to notice about your pineapple to tell you that it is ripe, besides this beautiful, vibrant color, is that you can smell the pineapple aroma without even cutting into it right now. I'm really excited about that crown on there because that is really healthy, and I know that this is ready to eat right away, so I can remove that crown and go ahead and get ready to grow my new pineapple plant. I'm also going to keep an eye on the mother plant because she's pretty much done, but there may be some pups that come out from this main plant, and they can come in between the leaves like so, or they can actually start growing out from the base of the plant. So don't give up on this plant right away. Even if you start to see that the top portions start dying off, there may be some hidden pups in there, and you want to make sure to let them continue growing if this spot is okay. But in my case, this is too shady now, so if I see any pups, I'm going to want to relocate them to a full sun location. I really encourage you to cage your pineapples because there's no way I would end up with a full pineapple this ripe without somebody eating it without that cage.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on City Studying Plant Life.